Going to take the little Honda out today. Got a new DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Gonna put it up today and see what it does. Don't know how it's going to go, but you got to test these things, don't you? So we'll take the little Honda out. I haven't been out, been away, been to Fiji, which was nice and warm, and yeah, so now it's back on the bikes. Start of it, head out the usual route, get me mojo back. It's in a few weeks. Put some air in the tyres. There's a bit of mud around too, as you can see, the puddles. It's been pouring rain here. I love this little Honda. It's so fun. Like, look at that. Doesn't even bottom. Brilliant. It's all about, with these little low-powered bikes, it's all about, like mountain bike speak, it's about the flow. You've got to flow the bike through everything. Just keep it moving. Go. I've pulled a tendon or something in my throttle wrist. Like, I don't know, sort of in my hand sort of thing, and tell you what, that's not liking it much, I gotta say. But the show goes on. Should be able to cut through here. Oh, stick down. Oh yeah, that's a bit of a hill. Because I normally, when I'm on this little bike, I generally just use one finger like that on my brake, and that's hurt. So I have to adjust my riding to suit, I think. Get here. Hanging down. It's actually quite cold today. I think it's only about 7 degrees Celsius, which is, oh yeah, that's slick. I think I know where we go. I want to try this follow me function on the drone. And it seems, I don't know, haven't used it yet, so I haven't used the follow me function, but all the other function on it work really well. I flew it a kilometre from my backyard. I just sent it out and went for a fly, and it has all these, the beacon for where home is, and you can spin on the screen. It's really good. Might put it up here and see if it avoids all these trees and things. Might ride up the Molly Keep and stuff like that. Anyway, I'll catch you back when I get it out and up and running. active track. It works, but it struggles with what I'm finding is anything that's dark, like see these iron barks that are black, it really struggles with them. It had one little crash just over here where it come up here, I come up here and it was following me up through these trees, and it hit some little twigs just over there that are hanging because there's no leaf on it. I would say it just didn't see it because they're too fine. So anything that's like really fine twiggy stuff like that up there, it really struggles with. But it will keep with you. I got some footage, you know, I'll see what it looks like when I edit it. Be interesting.